Today's video is all about the product that I regret buying, and I'm gonna be showing you guys a lot of products. So I'll be showing you guys tips and tricks to how to use them up if a product doesn't suit you. So how to use them up. That's what I've been doing with these products currently. Without any further ado, let's just get right into the video. Alright, before I begin, I also want to put out a little bit of disclaimer that I do not have anything against these companies and brands. Honestly, there are so many other products from the same very companies that I absolutely love. Use it from so long, but there are some products that are really bad and did not actually suit me. So that's why I wanted to say these. Also, second thing is some products may suit me and may not suit you guys. The company cannot have all hits. They will have some misses, they will have some bad products, and that's completely fine. And there are also some products which I'm gonna show suited a lot of the people that I know, but it did not suit me. So it's my personal opinion. And this product is from Mamaearth. Actually, there are two products from Mamaearth that did not suit me, but yeah. So let me just begin and how to use them up type thingies. So first, ones that did not suit me is this charcoal face wash with activated charcoal and coffee. This is mostly for oily skin tone, and I do have oily skin tone time to time, but this definitely did not suit me. I started breaking out real bad after you. Not suit me at all, but the only thing that suits me currently face wash is a dermatologist records that I use. I've been using for years, but I wanted to try this. Clearly didn't suit. Now if you also have face washes that do not suit your face and they're breaking you out, and how you want to just use them up, you can definitely use them for your body. I know it sounds a little weird. It's really fine to use these for your body, and they might not break your body, mostly because your face is much more sensitive than the body. So if it's breaking you out, it's causing acne and all for your skin, you can try on your body. And if it's still if it's breaking out on your back or anything like that, you can probably give it to someone who needs it. But a way to use face washes is to your body as a body wash. That's gonna get over really quickly. The second product from Mamaearth that I did not like is Bye Bye Blemish face cream. I genuinely wanted to like it. It had vitamin C mulberry extract. I genuinely wanted to like this. I genuinely wanted it to work for my face, so that so that I can get rid of my dark spots, acne spots, scars. But it did not work. I tried my best to make it work. I used it for 2 months continuously, 2 times, but all it did is break me out. It broke me out so bad. It started producing excess of sebum on my skin, and I don't know how or why it was coming out like that, but it definitely did not suit me, and I do not want to risk anymore. But this does have claims that it will give you an even skin, and it will definitely get rid of all the dark spots and all of that. So what I started doing is, from when this stopped working on my face and I did not want to absolutely waste it, so that's why I started using this for my body. I am mainly using it currently for my elbow area and knee area, which are darker than my body. And I've been using it for my hands, and it seemed to work on my hands. I mean, it's not that bad. At least it's improving. I have to still see it. It's been only like, I think, a month that I've been using this, and it's still there. So any vitamin C's, any serums, or any face do not work for your face and cause you breakout or anything, it can definitely help with your tan removal on your skin. Although I'm not saying that, I'm not supporting brightening and all of that. It's just that, for even skin tone, I need to get rid of these dark spots and uneven skin over my body. That's all I want. I do not want to get lightened or any that sort. Clearly did not work for me, but I love Mamaearth regardless. I love so many of the products. I've been using their products that have been working so well for me. I have been aware that it did not suit for them, but see, surprisingly it suited for me. So this is what I was talking about earlier, that some things are suiting for some people and not. So this is my personal opinion, and I just wanted to tell a few things that how to not waste a product if it's not. if it's not suiting you. That's all I wanted to get. That is a Nykaa product. Obviously I love Nykaa, I love Nykaa products, but this one not so much. This is a kajal. It's called Nykaa Rock the Line Kajal. I have given a review on this on my previous video as well, in which I tried this for the first time, and I definitely gave it a review, and I still stand with that opinion. It does not, it smudges off so soon. It does not stay on your eyes even for 20 minutes, which is absolutely pointless in my opinion. It's pointless. You know why would you want to put it which doesn't even last? This does not work. I don't know what to do. Currently my mom is using it. It's the same. It doesn't matter if it works for one person or not. It's the same thing. It smudges off soon, which is still happening. But you know, since we do not want to waste it, the fourth products that I'm gonna be talking about is this. It's called Chameleon Waxing Strips Face and Underarm from it's mint flavor apparently, and I don't know from where anyone, I don't know who bought this. Like, this actually, it is very small. It has small strips for your upper lip, eyebrows and stuff. It got over. The thing with this product is that it does not remove hair at all. It does not remove at all. I pulled my upper lip like 4 to 5 times, and I got a burnt mark over here, and then I knew I had to stop it. It does not remove. It does not say what it claims. It does not. So I just used it up for my hands, which it did not work either, but it was removing very lightly, so I just used it up. That's all. These are the products that I had with me right now. That's why I showed you guys now, but there are a lot more products that I forgot that I'd be doing this video, and I just threw them out, the empty ones, and now I have to just talk about it and insert pictures over here so you guys can, you know, assume what I'm talking about. The first thing that I'm gonna the fifth product that I'm going to be talking about is sheet masks. Sheet masks in general, no company, nothing, just sheet masks in general. I've used a lot. I've used Victoria's Secret sheet mask. I've used something called I'm not able to for 99 Mirabelle something. I don't know how to pronounce it, but I will search a picture and put it over here. This face mask I've tried the Victoria's Secret 24 karat gold face mask and some Korean face mask as well, and honestly I don't see a point in using face masks on the whole, because you use them for once. They say they'll give you serum for once, and you remove it after 20 minutes and it does nothing. You have to, and it's only one time use, so it's such a waste of product. Serum, half of it, when I take it out from the packet, half of it is inside the packet and I don't even see it, and I just throw it and it's gone to waste. It's absolutely gone to waste. And you know, instead of using face mask, you can just buy a serum which is almost, you know, which claims to do the same things. Like if you take a lemon face mask, vitamin C serum, just buy a vitamin C serum, use it. You can use it like 20 times on your face every day. You can put it on your face every day and use it, and it's gonna do you good, rather than just putting it once with the face mask and you have to throw the whole thing, and it's absolutely waste. I do not understand the concept of face masks anymore. I use a lot of them thinking it would, you know, make a difference. Honestly, it did nothing to me. It did absolutely nothing. I wanted it to do something, but it did not do anything, and I just gave up on it. That's all. Talking about sunscreens. Sunscreens have been a big problem for me since I have wanted to use them. I have tried almost all sunscreens and they haven't helped me. I'm not sure how, if it suits you guys, few of you guys, or not, but the ones that broke me out so bad, they got I got so much acne through them, is the Lakme one and Nivea sunscreen. Now if you guys watch my other videos, you know that I love Nivea's moisturizer. I have been using it for years and years and I love it. I have no complaints regarding that, but when it comes to sunscreen, it is so bad. I don't know if you guys feel the same way about this product, but the product is over here, but clearly it did not suit for me, nor did it suit for my mom. So we ended up using it on our body. It didn't do anything regarding the tan as well, you know. It did not avoid the tan, nothing happened. We still tanned the same. It was the same. It was just like a moisturizer. Same goes with the Lakme's as well. It was absolutely waste. It got, I don't know, anytime I use these serums or face creams, I start getting these little tiny white bumps that are called sebum bumps. You know, like when your skin produces excess of sebum, it comes out and forms that thing. That happens to me every time I apply anything oily to my face, because I do not understand the whole thing. I have to check with a dermatologist up regarding this, but anyway, next product that I'm going to be talking about today is gonna be Tresemme shampoo, hair shampoo. I have been using Tresemme for half of my life now. I've been using it since I was in 8th grade or something like that, and I've been using it, and I thought it was doing some good to me, but clearly it was not doing anything. Nor was it improving my hair texture, nor was it controlling my hair fall, nor was it doing anything. It was just probably cleaning my scalp. I was really scared and skeptical of trying new things, so that's why I just stuck to this. But thankfully I started using Mamaearth's onion hair shampoo, and it's working wonders for me. I know for some people it's not working. I understand. For you guys, new products, and I will be coming out with products that I liked and the products that I did not like, and I will give you guys a review about it, and I hope you guys will find it helpful. If you have any of the hair shampoos that do not suit your hair but are lying there and you want to use them up, it's a quick tip that I use. I used it for my Tresemme. So what I did was I used it as a detergent to wash my clothes. Yeah, I know, but what else can you do? You can't use it on your body. So I used it for my clothes, which was really helpful. It cleaned my clothes well. It did give an amazing smell like a Tresemme shampoo does. So I used it for I definitely know that it works for clothes very well. I use it all the time. Every time I don't have detergent, I use shampoo to wash my clothes, and it does the job. It cleans, it gives a good fragrance, it does the job. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys like this video, if you found this helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Please, it helps me a lot, and I will definitely see you in my next video. Bye.